Top 15 places to visit in Italy. Italy, a land of historical treasures, scenic beauty, and culinary delights, offers endless possibilities for travelers. Here's a travel guide to help you explore the top 15 destinations in this enchanting country. 1. Rome. Highlights: Colosseum, Vatican City, Pantheon, Roman Forum. Experience: wander through ancient ruins, marvel at Renaissance art, and toss a coin in the Trevi Fountain. 2. Florence. Highlights: Uffizi Gallery, Florence Cathedral, Ponte Vecchio. Experience: discover masterpieces by Michelangelo and Leonardo da Vinci and enjoy the charming streets of this Renaissance city. 3. Venice. Highlights: St. Mark's Basilica, Grand Canal, Rialto Bridge. Experience: ride a gondola through the canals, explore the islands of Murano and Burano. 4. Milan. Highlights: Duomo di Milano, Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper, Sforza Castle. Experience: indulge in high-end shopping, view iconic art, and enjoy vibrant nightlife. 5.
Naples. Highlights:
Highlights: POMPII, Mount Vesuvius, Naples National Archaeological Museum. Experience: savor authentic Neapolitan pizza and take day trips to the Amalfi Coast and Capri. 6. Amalfi Coast. Highlights: Positano, Amalfi, Ravello. Experience: drive along breathtaking coastal roads, relax on stunning beaches, and hike the Path of the Gods. 7. Tuscany. Highlights: Val d'Orcia, Siena, Pisa. Experience: explore rolling vineyards, historic towns, and iconic Leaning Tower of Pisa. 8. Cinque Terre. Highlights: Monterosso, Vernazza, Corniglia, Minerva, Rio Maggiore. Experience: hike between colorful cliffside villages and enjoy fresh seafood with sea views. 9. Sicily. Highlights: Palermo, Mount Etna, Valley of the Temples. Experience: discover a mix of cultures, hike Europe's most active volcano, and explore ancient Greek ruins. 10. Sardinia. Highlights: Costa Smeralda, Cagliari, La Maddalena Archipelago. Experience: swim in crystal clear waters, enjoy stunning beaches, and explore unique neuralgic sites. 11. Bologna. Highlights: Piazza Maggiore, Osinelli Tower, University of Bologna. Experience: enjoy rich culinary traditions, wander medieval streets, and experience Italy's oldest university. 12. Verona. Highlights: Arena di Verona, Juliet's House, Castelvecchio. Experience: relive Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet and explore Roman and medieval history. 13. Lake Como. Highlights: Bellagio, Varenna, Villa Carlotta. Experience: take a boat ride on the serene lake, visit charming lakeside villages, and enjoy luxurious villas. 14. Turin. Highlights: Mole Antonelli Anna, Egyptian Museum, Royal Palace of Turin. Experience: discover Baroque architecture, Italy's finest museums, and delicious chocolate and wine. 15. Puglia. Highlights: Alberobello, Lecce, Ostuni. Experience: explore trolley houses, beautiful Baroque architecture, and pristine beaches.
Travel tips: best time to visit. Spring April to June and fall September to October offer pleasant weather and fewer crowds. Cuisine: don't miss regional specialties like Roman carbonara, Tuscan ribollita, and Sicilian arancini. Transportation: Italy's extensive train network makes it easy to travel between major cities. Consider renting a car for exploring rural areas and the countryside. Enjoy your Italian adventure, and remember to take time to relax and savor the moment. As the Italians say, dolce far niente, the sweetness of doing nothing.